Whoosh, as a goose, what are you doing down there, Whoosh? What the hell are you doing? What a silly bird. Whoosh, as a goose. What are you doing? Eat your banana, Louise. Banana. You guys are funny. You guys are real funny. Do you need help getting out of there, Louise? You need help getting out of there? Why are you tearing all this paper up, Luz? Pissed off that this bunny rabbit's here, aren't you? Lucy's pissed off about this intruder in her kitchen. Hello? Hello, Luz? We got 5 baby rabbits in here. They're like little baby puppies. Little pink babies.